Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about the numerical problem which are based on investment multiplier. Okay, so here the first questions, that is we have given an economy investment increased by 200 crore as a result of its total income increased by thousands crore. Find out MPC and the MPS. So we have to calculate the values of MPC and MPS. Okay, so what we have given? We have given delta I, that is what investment increased by how much? 200. So delta I is equal to 200 and delta Y is what? Delta Y means change in income. The total change in income increased by how much? 1000. So delta Y is 1000. Okay. So as you know that K is equal to what? Delta Y upon delta I. Okay. So delta Y is what? 1000 and delta I is what? 200. Delta Y is thousands and delta I is 200. So what is the value of K? That is 5. 0 0 0 0 2 5 are 10. Okay, so value of K is 5. Now we know that K is equal to what? K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Previous video already discussed about the formula of K. So here there are three formula. K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. There is formula number 1. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. And the third one is what? K is equal to 1 upon MPS. So this is the three formula of investment multiplier. Now what will we do? We will putting the values of K in this equations. So what is the value of K? The value of K is 5. So 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Okay. Now what will we do? We will divide it by 1. Then we will do the cross multiply. Then we get so 5 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So you just put the bracket over here. Now we will do the cross multiply. So 5 bracket 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay. Now we have two options. Either we will divide it 1 upon 5 here, or we just multiply in a bracket. So 5 into 1, that is 5, and minus sign is here, so we put the minus sign. And 5 into MPC, so 5 MPC is equal to 1. Okay. Now what will you do? Here just transpose the 5. So minus 5 MPC is equal to 1 minus 5. So minus 5 MPC is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel. Okay. So 5 MPC is equal to what? 4. So MPC is equal to 4 upon 5. MPC is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay. So 4 upon 5 is what? 4 upon 5 is, that is 0.8. So this is the values of what? This is the values of MPC, that is 0.8. Okay, and you know that MPC plus MPS is what? 1. So putting the value of MPC over here, so 0.8 plus MPS is equal to 1. So MPS is equal to 1 minus 0.80. So MPS is equal to 0.20. That is the value of MPS. Okay. So MPC, that is 0.8 and amperes, that is 0.2. So this is the solutions of the given problem. Now one more problem is here. Similar to that kind of problem, but in this questions we have given the MPC. In previous questions we have to calculate the values of MPC and amperes. Now in this question we have given the values of MPC and we have to find out what? We have to find out change in income. Okay, so we have given the value of MPC. As you know that K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Okay, so K is equal to 1 minus, and what is the value of MPC? MPC is how much? MPC is 0.75. So we just put here 0.75. Okay. So K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.75. So 1 upon 0.25. Okay, 1 minus 0.75 will get 0.25. So 1 upon means 100 upon 25. What we'll do? We'll just multiply 100 numerator as well as the denominator. So 1 into 100, that is 100, or 0.25 into 100. So we'll decimals I'll put here. So 25.00. So we'll just write 25. So 100 upon 25, that is what? 4. 25 4 ja 100. This is the value of investment multiplier. But in this question, what will calculate? In this question, we have to calculate the change in income, and we have given the change in income. We have to calculate, and investment is given. So investment is what? Change in investment is how much? 2000. Okay, and we have to calculate change in income, and we already calculated the value of K, that is 4. So K is equal to, okay, K is equal to, as you know that K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Now we know that the value of 4 K is equal to 4, and delta Y we have to calculate, and delta I is how much? Delta I is 2000. Now what we'll do? We'll just cross multiply. So 2000 into 4, that is 8000, and 1 into delta Y, that is delta Y. Means change in income is 8000 rupees. Okay, so in this questions, here the not mentions calculate the investment multiplier, but we have to calculate the investment multiplier because the formula of investment multiplier is K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Without calculating the K, we cannot calculate the delta Y, means change in income, if the change in investment is given. So firstly we need to calculate the value of K. Okay, so K and the MPC is given, so using the formula we'll calculate the value of K. Then we'll apply the first formula, that is K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, and we have given the delta I, and K we already calculated, that is 4 into 2000, that is 8000, that is the change in income. So I hope you understood the concept of how to calculate the problem of MPC, MPS and multiplier. We will discuss more questions because this is a very important question for the exam point of view. There are many questions asked from the exam, so you also have to solve many problems. If you have any doubt, then you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much.